In the beginning, it was just me and him. We fell so hard for each other. It was the craziest thing I've ever experienced in my whole entire life. We really could not be away from each other for that long the first day we met. And from there on out, we were inseparable. I fell absolutely in love with your dad. I already had your brother and sister. And just to think that you'd be coming shortly after us being together and trying for quite a while, I was excited for what was to come.
Shit's nerve-wracking. Oh my god. We did a positive test this morning. Babe! Babe!
That's the baby.
Tell me what it says.
Yes, you have a baby.
What do you think, Mama?
You found it.
Oh, look at him. I'll show you guys my belly. It's getting big now. Said I'm 20 weeks and 2 days, so baby will be here soon. I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet him. 29 weeks pregnant today, babe.
What happened?
Nothing, I love you.
What?
Babe, I love you. Oh, baby. 37 weeks this week, guys. And Maya's about to be here. Oh, hi, Sally. We're here at the beach with the baby here. Hi.
Feel you in there.
It's my mama. I love you. Okay, so who did you draw this for, Jeremiah?
My baby, what you?
I love you, Jeremiah.
Love you.
Tell your brother you love him. He's coming soon.
Love you, baby, what you?
What do you guys want to say to baby Nehemiah? I already asked all the kids. Elizabeth, you go first.
I love him and I can't wait to meet you.
Matt, you're up.
Love you, can't wait for you to get here.
You want me to leave? Come here. Give me a hug.
Don't.
He's coming. Water broke this morning, guys. It's getting serious. You look, you're going to see him soon. Give him a kiss. I love you. I love you. Love you, Lily. Give me a kiss. You gonna be good? Give me a kiss. I love you. I'm gonna be back with your brother. I love you. Love you, mommy.
All right, my dear. I am gonna check your cervix, okay?
Okay.
Your water's broke, just to make sure, like, there's not a head, like, right here.
I know. That's what I was scared of. Oh.
Pre-opping her right now. She's right here. I'm tripped out. I'm asking the doctors. I was like, so today? They're like, oh yeah, for sure today. I'm like, do we just wait till Monday? They're like, no, we can't.
He didn't believe it. He didn't believe that I was really having my water broke. I told you.
I'm tripped out.
What do you think, babe? I started getting teary-eyed right now.
Me too. I'm like, so today? They're like, yes, today.
He needed the confirmation.
Yeah, I need confirmation. This is crazy. I'm tripped out. I know. She's nervous. They got you. They're cool here.
Yeah, no, I'm nervous. I'm just like, I don't want to be in pain or anything.
No pain. Yeah.
About to have the baby? What happened? Is that crazy, babe?
Yeah. All right, well, I'll keep you updated. I'm tripping. Everything's good at the house? Okay. Relax, chill. Free, you're welcome to anything. You already know.
I know. Tell her we'll try to
That's
get
all
some more
weird.
stuff. I'm like,
Alright.
about to have the baby. Oh, my hair's coming out. I'm gonna have to tuck it in a little bit. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
Baby Nehemiah is coming. He's making his way. I can't believe it. Babe, I love you.
Me too.
I can't believe he's coming. I'm nervous right now.
How was it?
It was crazy, babe.
That shit look
I
crazy.
feel like tired.
I was trying to. I was so fucking.
turn it sideways.
I was so fucked up. I was trying to keep you calm and me calm. I couldn't
was
even look.
scared. I was like thinking I was gonna pass out.
Yeah, that shit, bro. That shit's crazy.
I'm
Hell
tired.
no.
Did he give me any medicine or anything?
I think so.
I'm like, they won't let me sit up because they said I'm gonna get sick. I recorded. Baby, we had a whole baby together. I'm just happy I'm okay. Oh my god. Oh, hi, baby. My son. Hi, Mimi. Hi, babe. What are you doing, son? Hi, babe. Hi, baby. Son. What do you think? Hi, Gloria. Hi. Wow, we made it. What do you think of him lately? You got me. Here's Dada.
Oh.
Oh my god. Look at his eyes. He has them open. I want you to see up close. I feel so much better this morning. I'm like, thank God.
Yeah.
I was feeling sick all day yesterday. It was a nightmare. Daddy with your foot.
Lotion. Get a little long feet.
He got some long little toes, huh? Hey guys. I did not sleep at all last night. He had me up all night. I'm so tired still. He looks so cute though. Hey baby. We're getting discharged and get to go home. He did his little hearing test today. Get my baby. Hey, get a baby. Hi baby. Hey. I'm going home, son. I'm going home, baby.